Hey everybody, JD here again. Welcome back to the channel. Got a surprise Thursday video because I came home a little early and I got something in the mail that I didn't quite open all the way. It opened. I got I bought a lot of things from Iceman Collections. This is my first complete engine kit. I got myself the Ford Flathead with the 4 deuces on it. I am planning on using as I have the two 40 Ford kits. I have the AMT and the Revell, and I figure what I'll do is I'll probably use one. I have like two. I have two flatheads. I thought I had some Offenhauser heads for one of them, but I can't find them. I thought I put them in the box. I thought I did. It's a possibility that I didn't. Oh, don't lose the little parts. Don't want to lose that little guy. I'm going to need him later. Look at that. That is really sweet. That is really some nice detailing. It's really more learning for me to do. It's one of my favorite things to do is learn more stuff. So I have I have a cast resin flathead kit that I got. I got this years ago. I believe I got it off of eBay. I believe this is just a stock flathead. I think it has an option to put more than one carburetor. I thought it did, maybe not. Oh, it's got duals. Got the 2 carburetors. I don't know if it has, but I do think, comparatively speaking, I think the Iceman one is much better, because I imagine this is just a copy of a flathead from a kit somewhere. Whereas this one comes with, I'm guessing that's supposed to be spark plug wear? Or is that supposed to be a belt for the engine? I'll find out. I'm sure there's probably a video about it. Yeah, I have the old AMT kit that Lucas C. talked about that he loves so much. I bought one of those actually shortly after I watched the video that he did about it. I got gonna get some different tires and wheels for it. I want to go with the Ford dogfish hubcaps. Oh, like they're on this one, but maybe a little deeper. Cause my plan for one of these, well, yeah, I don't know which one it will be, but I want to paint it black with the red wheels. You know, I think one of these has got you can lower this front suspension or lower all the suspension. I don't know. If not, I will find the parts because I want to lower it a little bit. Probably lower the front more than the back. Give it a rake to it, and get a little bit wider tires for the back. I think Iceman makes those really cool. I don't remember what they're called, but they're like a steel wheel with a white wall on it. I think he showed in one of his Facebook posts that he had it back in stock again. I might get a set of those, or I might find something else that. That's the kind of look I want to go for. Is the I guess you call them baby moons or the dog dish hubcaps with the trim rings and the wide white walls and everything. And then someday I will get around to building my Vicky, which is going to have. Already got a set of 3D printed. What are they called? Kelsey Hayes wheels, and they came already big and littles. I got to find the right tires that I want to put on it, and that's in the far-flung future. I'm still not finished working on anything. I've come home from work and things happen, and I just don't have a chance to do anything. But tonight was nice, great surprise. Getting this in the mail. Thank you, Joelle. I also, this weekend, I am going to, with my friend of mine, we go to Autorama in Sacramento at Cal Expo every year. I think we've gone like 6 or 7 years in a row. And they have some like really cool cars. I usually take pictures of the 32 Fords. There'll be rat rods there. Get some ideas about how I want to build some, because I'd like to build a rat rod. Just because I haven't built one of those. I haven't built a lot of things, but I want to build a rat rod. And this is a cool show because it has everything. I remember when I was a kid, I used to go to the Grand National Roadster Show when it used to be at the Oakland Coliseum when I was a kid. And this is kind of like that. There's muscle cars, lowriders, street rods, rat rods, muscle cars, motorcycles. There's usually one of the local car club groups goes there and just has a display, kind of like they do at the Good Guys show. I can't remember the guy's name, but he's on Facebook. He used to publish a magazine. But he'll probably be there, or somebody will be there, because usually there's a group of guys with model cars there, and probably take some pictures of those. But it should be fun. I don't know how long I'll be gone, because he and I usually go to the show and then go down the street and have some Applebee's. It's kind of our thing to do after car shows. It's either go to Applebee's or we go find Filipino food, but normally where we go now, there's no Filipino food because I don't get to hang out with him in the places where there's Filipino food. But anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this little quickie peek. I don't know when I'm going to get to this. It'll be, I don't even know when I'm going to get to building the Ford. That's on one of my to-do list. I don't know when it's going to happen, but someday. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the week, and hope you have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.